Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
You're good, man. Tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man.
My name is Raul Tello del Alacran, and I have 4 DD8s, the 608s, and I have a DD M2C. It's my little daily setup, man. It's my little work car, and I'm getting my doors built. It was an all-scar setup, but I ended up getting a hold of these 8s.
All right. Yes, sir. Did you build the box?
No, I got it from a buddy. It's tuned at 32 hertz.
32. Okay. Is the port back behind it?
It's right here on this side.
Is it facing our way?
It's facing the left.
Okay. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
A short Paul and Sasha, come sing for them, baby.
Yeah, let me hear it. All right.
I see a lot of niggas out throwing up shit. What? Y'all niggas might be scared to represent your shit. You scared. You must be scared, niggas scared. Fuck that shit. But all my real niggas will say I'm proud of their hood. All of my real ladies, proud of their hood. Never been scared. Say this shit. Bitch. the hill. Wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I just put some crazy around my neck. Smoke till I'm high. Hustle on the hill. Wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love me. That's why they all fuck me. Out here with the moves, like I am really smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. Girl, you know it's true.